Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to BMW. The 4, the all-new BMW 4 Series Coupé. It symbolizes the essence of a modern and highly emotional coupe in the very core of BMW. An everyday dream car. The 4 references to our heritage and yet presents a progressive and confident interpretation of the iconic design elements of its predecessors, meaning cars like the BMW 3.0 CSI or the BMW 328. These coupés have played a major role in BMW's history, both in contributing to the brand's image and to our design language. From now on, the number 4 will stand for an even more self-confident and expressive series of products. All models will show a complete differentiation to the current 3 Series, as we believe in the different individual characters of our customers. While the second generation 4 Series models keep their focus on exactly this objective, they will emerge with a new, exciting and very distinctive appearance. The front end of the 4 is a clear statement on the road. The prominent vertical kidney and the twin iconic headlights create a daring and confident identity. The 4 displays BMW's signature proportions at their most modern form. A stretched bonnet, long wheelbase and a fast roofline create an elegant and dynamic coupe outline. The body side is dominated by clean sculpted surfaces. A defined core line, which runs between the wheelhouses, emphasizes a low center of gravity. At the same time, it accentuates the wheels and the great stance of the 4. The fast and tapered greenhouse generates strong rear fenders and provides the rear with a very exotic and sporty aesthetic. The slim and sculpted L-shaped taillights emerge from the side and emphasize the powerful shoulder even more. The dominant black diffuser underlines the sporty and expressive character of the 4. The interior presents a modern and yet dynamic appearance. All control elements and displays have a strict focus on driving. And of course, the interior offers our customer a high level of luxury. Ladies and gentlemen, dynamic, expressive and luxurious, the 4 embodies all design values of the BMW brand, a true brand shaper.